Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5077181, because of this error code, that is 0x800f0983. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. To fix it, the first step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause option. You can click on pause over here, pause the update, and once paused, now click on resume updates, and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services, scroll down. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click, and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, scroll up, here you can see app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click, and then click on restart. Once done, you can go back. If you see retry option over here, you can click on retry and then try to install the update. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, and once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5077181, and then click on search. Check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check your version, in my case it's version 25H2, and then check your system type. So open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and then check your system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system. Now here you have to download the right update. So Windows 11 version 25H2, Windows 11 version 25H2 for x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download and click on KB5077181. Click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and then install this update manually, and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here, scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file, and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let it close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next over here, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.